we can move more, we can physically move. Because, physically moving changes absolutely everything. And when I say everything, I mean our experience of the world. And what else is there? Fascinating things happen biochemically in the brain when we move. The first thing that happens, when we begin to move physically, the human nervous system recognizes this as a moment of stress. And because it thinks you're about to fight or flee from an enemy. And in order to protect you, your brain releases a chemical, a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Fancy name, BDNF for short. BDNF repairs the brain, protects the brain, and it also plays a key role in creating new neurons, specifically in the hippocampus area of the brain. Alongside this, another chemical is released, one that you may be more familiar with, endorphins. Endorphins are often attributed to the high that we feel after moving physically, but their role is to dumb down any discomfort that we might encounter from fighting or fleeing from that enemy. So essentially, it's the chemical mix of BDNF and endorphin which explain why things are often clearer and we feel more at ease after moving physically. But how does this show up in the real world? How do we experience this? Well, moving physically in the short term immediately changes our state. Thanks. Immediately changes our state. It boosts our mood, and it releases the buildup of stress in our human nervous system. And over the long term, consistent physical movement changes the structure of our brain. It boosts self-esteem and decreases the biological reaction to psychological stress. Psychological stress is clearly the enemy to our mental health, and it's physical movement that is our best weapon to respond. This isn't new.